Hello! Today we are diving into the world of algebra. Our goal is to learn how to evaluate expressions by using a simple technique called substitution. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to replace variables with given numerical values and simplify the expression accurately. So, what does it mean to evaluate? Evaluation is the process of determining the value of a given algebraic expression. For example, if we have the expression 5x plus 2 and we are told that x is equal to 4, we replace the variable x with 4 to begin solving. The substitution rule is simply replacing a variable, which is the latter, with its corresponding value or the number. Let's look at 4y, which also means 4 times y. If y is equal to 5, then we will replace y with 5. We rewrite the expression as 4 times 5. Notice the parentheses? Using them ensures we remember that a number next to a variable means multiplication. Be extra careful with negative numbers. Take the expression 3x squared, where x is equal to negative 2. You must place the negative 2 inside parentheses before squaring it. This ensures you square the entire number, not just the digit. Skipping parentheses is a common mistake that leads to the wrong answer. Now, let's try a more complex expression, x squared minus 3y plus 10. For this problem, let x equals negative 4 and y equals 2. First, we replace x and y with their corresponding values. Then, it looks like this. Negative 4 squared minus 3 times 2 plus 10. Following the order of operations, or GEMDAS, we start with the exponent. Negative 4 means negative 4 times negative 4, which gives us positive 16. Next, we handle the multiplication. 3 times 2 equals 6. Now, our expression is simplified to 16 minus 6 plus 10. Finally, we add and subtract from left to right. 16 minus 6 is 10. Then, 10 plus 10 gives us our final answer, 20. And that's it! You've successfully evaluated a complex algebraic expression. Thanks for watching!